Right, so welcome to another video. This one is long overdue, and I think we all know, especially by the title, what they are. I'm finally getting rid of these wheels. These are the stock Scirocco alloys with some really bad tyres on at the moment, because when I had the tyres swapped I was broke and couldn't afford nice ones. They have seen better days. The previous owner, I'm not sure what he did to them, but they just seem to be like delaminating a lot. And on some tyres, it's a lot more obvious than other ones. For example, if we look at this front tyre, it looks okay. Shown by all this B-roll that you can see that I definitely am gonna film. But yeah, long due an upgrade. Biggest issue though, I'm still broke. But luckily, through the dark web, I've heard where a set of tyres is going, and I might have to pull off some sneaky tactics to get them.
Hello mate, you right? Hello. How you doing, all right? Yeah, not bad, not bad. What's that? What can I do for you? Right. Yeah, sounds like a plan. Yeah, I'm down. Okay. All right, cool. I'll see you a bit later on. I'm
trying to think of what I need to say.
I know. Should I start it?
Yeah, you start it.
So we've stopped being silly now and actually parked up.
Well, let's not speak too soon.
Valid.
But yeah, obviously I'm not actually going to steal Luke's tyres. He's been very generous to donate them to the charity like myself.
And wheels.
And wheels. He's been generous to donate them free of charge. Okay.
I have it in writing.
Shit. Never hold up in court.
It will. Yeah, essentially these are my old wheels and tyres from this car. They're actually the same dimensions as what you're running at the moment, right?
Yes, that's correct.
They're an 8.5J on a 235 35/19, which is the same as what you're running at the moment.
Round, yeah.
In fact, these might be 8J, so it might be a little bit wider.
Well,
it's
when
the
they
tyre.
are sat on spacers,
yeah, true.
they're going to be sticking out a lot, I think, until I can find my original wheel bolts.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah, since I've wide-bodied mine, those would look a bit silly. These are 235 and these are 265 now, so
yeah, and these are like massive.
They are girthy. But yeah, these were the first wheels that I actually ever put on this car, because they were just running the stock ones before. Yeah. If I'm honest, they're a great looking wheel.
I'm super stoked because obviously they're a closer grade to my car than the stock ones are.
Yeah, that's true.
So I think it's going to blend quite well. And I think again, just that shading is going to help the fitment or the look of the fitment.
Yeah. Because they're grey and not black, you don't lose the kind of design of the wheels.
No, exactly. I did look at some black wheels and I was very hit or miss. Some I think are really cool, but at the same time I think if you get black wheels, it doesn't matter what design you get, it's just black. You just see black.
It. Yeah, that's it.
No, I've known you for a while. I've been stoked on the car for a long time, and I'm super happy that when you said you were selling them, you were able to get them to me. To be fair, I did get a lot of messages like, oh, seeing as you got these, like, are they for sale? I'm like, nope, sold already. Suck it, bitches.
But yeah, no, I'm kind of sad to see them go, because they are nice wheels and they would fit on my A45, but...
Well, I think you've got more exciting plans for the A45 coming up, which we won't speak too much about, but...
True.
I'm excited to see that.
I've literally just walked into my own wing.
It's just too big, Luke.
But yeah, no, are you going to get them fitted like literally straight away?
Yeah, so this video you'll see them fitted later on. I'm going to go... Yeah, I'm going to fit them later on. You're going to see a test of what I've currently got on my car.
Yeah, PS4S Michelin's as well, so
yeah,
a lot better than whatever you've got on it at the moment. Ling Langs.
What were they again?
Westlake Zupa Pro or something? Zupa grips?
Zupa Eco.
That's it, yeah. With a Z, not an S.
Yeah.
It's worth noting.
Z's are cooler, that's why.
No, to be fair, it will look cool on the move as well.
Yeah.
Because the wheels do look really nice on the move.
Well, since you're a lot quicker, you can take the rollers of me through your little window.
I can't. I don't think I can fit a camera through here.
Get the phone just dangling like this.
Literally, like, through that.
There's plenty of space.
Yeah.
I've worked with more and less. What?
One thing I didn't tell you is actually what it's called, the wheel. I know they're nice wheels.
Yeah.
But these are Esprit FFR1s.
That just sounds sexy.
In case you're wondering. And it's actually a brushed finish as well. It's
Yeah,
not
we
just
did
like
say
a
that.
normal
I'll get you can see the B-roll here of all the stone chips and the brushwork that's gone beautifully into the work of making these wheels.
It's been on a track car.
Listen, like I said in my last video, I don't have a rear wiper because it's a race car.
To be fair, I don't either.
Yeah, exactly. My point stands.
He's captain now.
So I've ended up at the farm, and these boys are on way too much caffeine right now.
No wheel time. No wheel time.
So this is why I don't film at the farm. But yeah, they're going to give me a hand swapping the tyres over, and then the tyres and wheels over even. And then we will... This man has the tyres ahead. And... yeah, thoughts on the tyres?
I just feel so proud of you. Finally happened. How many videos? Chaz, when you're editing, look back and look at every single video that I've told you to buy wheels in.
Count is going to be like here. Yeah. Isn't that every video? Yo, you're running. Don't fucking say it. I already know what you're thinking.
It's good. Time to lower it.
That's what I was waiting for.
There it is.
You got rid of the moment, don't you? There it clicked. I like them.
Yeah, I agree.
Chaz, your fitment looks well good, mate. I wouldn't listen to them about lowering it.
But considering these are still...
Woo-wee!
One's in your right hand. The ones that look like that.
And then imagine it with painted calipers. Would you get that much on like next weekend or whatever?
Yeah, like, it's literally fucking dead easy.
Running full mechanic shoes.
Yeah.
Can improve them on.
You just have to trust the process. I was getting them.
I know, I just...
So, that is the tyres put on. As the boys mentioned, I need some spigot rings because the spaces don't quite line up the same. But they'll do for now. I think they look really clean. I'm really happy with like the colour match on this because it's almost the indium grey of the Scirocco R. Not quite, but distance you're not going to know.
Yeah, they look good,
and it's
man.
better than my delaminated Scirocco R ones because they've got that white worm issue going on with the diamond cut wheels. So, big shout out to Luke for sourcing these for me. And by sourcing them, I mean giving me them
And an unreal price.
at an unreal price.
Sick.
And everyone that messaged him asking for the wheels, suck my dick.